Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, this is a Sephora haul. This may be one of the last times I go to Sephora for a very long time, but stay tuned. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you guys know about it. Now, let's get into some things. Of course, I got my hookah. I recently have been going through it with Sephora because someone has been using my points and I don't feel like they're going above and beyond or exhausting any options for me to get my points back. And when I did call customer service, it was just a tedious process. Sorry if you see the sun going in and out by the window, but it was just a tedious process. I just don't feel appreciated, so I'll just take my business elsewhere, or I'll go directly to the vendor or product website to purchase it if I could. If not, if it's a Sephora brand, oh well. And if I can only get it from Sephora, oh well, I'll have to find another option because I just spent too much money with them to not be getting my points and letting someone else use them. But I did go shopping one last time for a very long time, and I'm gonna show you what I got. I don't know why they gave it to me in this black bag. Maybe they ran out of bags, but I got a Sephora Fragrance Kit. I love this kit because it comes with 10 samples and you'll get a full size at no extra cost. So once I seen that they added the Tom Ford ombre leather, I had to go grab it. It's usually like $150 and I paid $72 for this. The bag, 10 samples, get a full size of the Tom Ford ombre leather. Not bad for $72, obviously plus tax, but $72 got all of this. I also got Glow Recipe Fruit Baby, the bestseller kits. I really like Glow Recipe. I love their product. I haven't tried the drop and I haven't had the toner, but I've tried the moisturizer, I've tried the retinol eye cream, and I've tried the serum. So I'm glad that all of this comes in a kit where I can try each one individually, and they're like cute little small sample sizes, so that's pretty cool. All right, we got a few fragrances. I got two from Replica. One is Bubble Bath and one is Jazz Club. These are cute like travel sizes. They have a smaller thin one that's an actual travel size, but these are just like the small bottles, which I like to put these in my bag because I carry a bag pretty much every day so I won't lose items, and these fit perfectly in my bag. Plus the bottles are cute. This Bubble Bath is probably one of my new favorites. It smells so refreshing and cool and warm and inviting, and I love that. Jazz Club smells a little, are the notes on here? I don't think the fragrance notes are on here, but it says Haiti cocktails and cigars. It does have a smoky fragrance to it. Twalk smells really good, so I like Jazz Club. I sprayed it in the store. It smells good, and plus it's also included in the fragrance kit. I also got what is this? The Laniege lip treatment. I like that this has a pearlescence color. It goes on really smooth. It smells nice, plus it makes your lips feel good, so I had to grab this. Another Tom Ford item and staple that I think I have is the Soleil Blanc. It does have like a glittery, body shimmering, translucent color to it. So if you're not into that, it probably won't be something for you. I like the way it looks. I love the way it smells. It smells rich. It looks like elegant. And if you want to give a little shine on your collarbone or on your hands, I usually sometimes try to put it on my neck, on my collarbone. It gets the job done. One of my Sephora favorites is the Caudalie Face Spray. I love this. It just feels rich, elegant, classy, and it works. I love it. It gives you like, it's like a pick-me-up, an energizing face pick-me-up. It gives that elegant, that classy feel, that vibe, that soft life that I like. So, yep, definitely feels like you're going to a spa. It smells like herby, more like eucalyptus-like, but not like packed with eucalyptus. It smells good. This was one of my favorites, the fresh one. I love this fresh one, but I like them both in combination. Of course, I had to get Glass Bomb and Glass Slipper. It's just a good lip gloss. Clean, straight to the point, and pretty. I also picked up some Touchland hand sanitizer. This one's in Power Mist. It's called Rainwater Power Mist. I like this one. It's very fancy to me. I love the packaging. It's vegan, cruelty-free. You can take it on a plane. It's hydrating and fast-absorbing. Plus, you need it. It's hand sanitizer. You need it. So, this is new. It is the Faded Topicals facial product. It helps with hyperpigmentation, and I'm super excited because I've heard some really great things about it. At first, I purchased a large one, and I was like, get a small one just in case, because I can order this directly from them. But now that it's at Sephora, that's pretty cool. And this too is also vegan and cruelty free. With Summer Fridays, I re-upped on the jet lag mask. This is one of my favorite items. It works really well. It's for like, it says jet lag, so like when you're traveling you have something like to pick me up, a facial afterwards, but you can pretty much use it anytime you like. This is for people who are busy and they want like a quick face mask. This will probably be the one I suggest for you. Now this is a women's fragrance, but I like it. I don't care if it's women's or men's. It is the YSL Libre. It's the newer one, Le Perfume. This is the smaller bottle, but they have a few different sizes. I like these because they last long, they smell good, and they're like loud fragrances. I don't know, for some reason I just love that. It's just like, wow, as soon as I walk into the room, you know I'm in there, because this fragrance is like, hello. Pretty much does the introducing yourself for you, so I would highly suggest it. Because someone was using my points, I went ahead and used the last little bit of my points to get I got the Fresh Kit. And it comes with a fresh face cleanser, kombucha treatment facial essence, a moisturizer, and it also comes with the youth preserve face cream, which I love Fresh. This is a really good company. I love their tropical antioxidant fruit serum that is so expensive, but they have it at Nordstrom, so I can get it there instead of Sephora, or I can go straight to Fresh's website. And I also got well, I don't know why she put this in my bag, but I saw the Le Mercier glow stick and I was like, oh, that's pretty. So when I looked in my bag, I guess she included that for me. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I think that's all the products that I picked up. I just wanted to show you guys what Sephora products I picked up before I not go back there anymore. I don't know, I just feel like you're a major company, and I'm actually on the website representing another company, but I'm on Sephora's website, and the fact that I had to call multiple times and I still have no resolution, and someone's still using my points even after following the steps that they wanted me to do, it just shows that they don't care. And the most unfortunate part about it is that Sephora and Sephora's point system is two separate entities, so they really can't do anything about it in store. They have to call customer service, but customer service really isn't doing anything besides like pushing me away. So I can take a hint and buy Sephora. I'll take my business elsewhere until I feel ready to go back and get rewarded, but until then, chuck the deuce. It is what it is, and you know, I don't feel bad about it. But I just wanted to come and share with you guys the last few items that I picked up from Sephora until I get a chance to go back. Who knows when that will be, but yeah, I just wanted to come show you guys what I got. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, turn on post notifications and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Side note, I ran into someone in Sephora, and I don't think he know how special he made me feel. He's just like, hey, you're Trash Talks, and I'm like, yeah. He's like, hey, I follow your blog. I like your posts, and I'm just like, I walked out of the store. I'm gonna try to include the little clip that I have for you guys, but the fact that I'm slightly getting emotional in the mall, because like, I don't think people understand how hard it is to be a YouTuber and a vlog and to stay focused, and then to have people come up to you, it means a lot, you know. I was just so emotional for some reason. I don't know. Y'all can't be doing stuff like that to me. It makes me very emotional. I was in a people mall crying. People was looking at me like I was crazy, but it just feels good to be appreciated. And this is tough. YouTube is tough. Staying consistent is tough. So to know that someone's watching, I really appreciate that. So if you get to see this video, I appreciate you so much. And thank you so much for joining the Trash Talks family. All right, now I'm out. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. Also turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.